I know this isn't a makeup video, but like, can we talk about it? Are we into the space buns? I am, but. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. My name is Kaylaharnae. If we haven't met already, what's up? By the way, I'm filming with just my ring light in my room. So hot. I have on like a cropped sweater, so let's just not even like go there. So today's video is going to be, well, you already know because you read the title, but this is going to be how I fixed my textured skin in 5 days. Okay, so let me give you a little history about me. Let me sit still and maybe I won't be so hot. Like since I was a young kid, little girl, hashtag baby girl, I've had eczema and I would get it like in between my elbows, behind my kneecaps, my neck, anywhere that has like a crease or something like that. And I think I had like really bad diaper rash too, my mom would say. I don't know. But, and then as I like got older, 'cause it was normally like mostly in elementary school. However, middle school, high school, nothing. I know I went to Mexico and I went to Cancun, I think it was 2017, and I sorry, I'm trying to cough. Sorry. In 2017 I went to Cancun and obviously it was hot. I went in the summertime and I was just wearing baby oil. I don't really think I was putting like any lotion on. So by the time I got back home to Maryland, I was still like using baby oil, you know, shiny legs, you know. My skin was like, look, okay, we get it, this is shine, but it ain't moisture. So I remember I like broke out in like little patches of like itchy textured skin. So last week or so, it was Monday, as of this, today's Friday. So in almost 2 weeks ago, this happened almost 2 weeks ago. It was actually after I filmed my pretty spring glam makeup. So I did my skincare like normal that night. I filmed, washed my face. Let's say 10 minutes after I washed my face, I noticed my skin was like irritated. It was like itchy, like splotchy. Let me sit with my posture right now. Like my mama didn't raise me like that. I'm in the center. Okay, whatever. Sorry, I'm not the best at storytelling. I noticed the like irritation on my skin like around this area, just like as you see in the picture, which, let me just show the picture. Right here, right here. I'll show the picture somewhere. Okay, so I noticed my skin was like super irritated and just like splotchy, and then I had my boyfriend look at it up close, and he even noticed it. He was like, yeah. Because let me just start off by saying, I should have said this in the beginning, but I don't have problematic skin, and I'm referring to my face, like I'm dry, but I don't have problematic skin. The most or the worst I can get is like dry, and of course like occasionally I can get like a breakout, like a pimple or something if it's hormonal, or if I'm eating too much dairy, I'll tend to get a breakout. Now that I say that, it's like making sense. Okay, so my skin was looking like this, and I just was like, what the heck? And it was just so uncomfortable. Like my skin felt hot and like red, and just like, it was just in certain areas of my face too. It was like right there, like right here, like maybe somewhere down here. Oh my gosh, it was around my eyelids. Like I really wish I like had something to show you guys when it was like around my eyes, and oh, it was so annoying. And so I was like, what the heck? Like I don't know what it could be. I did my skincare like normal. As far as makeup, I was wearing the normal makeup that I normally wear. However, the only thing I can think of that could have, but I don't even want to say this because it never happened before, but the Milani foundation, the 2-in-1 Milani foundation that I used, it was the first time I used it in a minute, and that's the only thing different I can think of. But at the same time, it's like I've worn that foundation before and that never happened, and that's one of my favorite foundations. So I don't know what it was. I was like scared because I'm like, I mean, is it a skincare product that I'm not? Because normally my skincare is just, I have a lot of products, but we have like a relationship where we're like loyal to each other. So I was also confused because I didn't know if it was a product that I didn't know, okay? I did not know, and I was freaking out. I just wasn't into it. I remember that night when I was like feeling weird, I went back in the bathroom and I was like, well, if it's a skincare, because immediately I was thinking it was a skincare product I use, but I didn't know which one. So I think I rinsed my face with like cold water or something because it was like hot and just irritated. And I proceeded with, what did I put on it? I remember I didn't put everything back on my face. I think I just put some moisturizer on because a little bit of water and I'm gonna become a raisin. So I put my moisturizer on and it was just still not okay. So I was trying to ignore it. The next day, because that was a Sunday, so the next day, that Monday, I was like, I woke up still going through it and I'm like, what? Again, I don't have problematic skin, so I'm not like used to, you know, this kind of situation. So I'm just like, what? So I'm Googling, I'm on Pinterest, I'm trying to find home remedies, natural things, because I don't want to go to the store. I came across oatmeal. Now, how I came across oatmeal, I've always heard about like oatmeal and how it can help with the skin and all that stuff. And I'm not going into detail about it because I'm not good at explaining, so you can just Google oatmeal benefits for the skin. But anyways, I was on YouTube and it's like, honestly, like I'm not even trying to be dramatic, but whenever like I'm in need of something, God comes through like immediately. So I just came across Arnae's video on how she cleared her skin, and it was like a recent video, I believe, and I clicked on it, right? So when she showed her skin, it was like red, irritated, splash. It looked like similar to how my face was looking, and so I was like, okay, let me keep watching. And she did an oatmeal mask, and she mixed oatmeal with witch hazel. I didn't have any witch hazel, so I just mixed oatmeal. And you guys are gonna see like the whole demo. I guess I can just start the demo right now. So I have my oatmeal and I see she mixed it with witch hazel. However, I didn't have witch hazel, so I mixed it with water. Now I had rolled oats, so what I did was grinded up the oats and put them in my NutriBlender until it became like a powdery type texture. And then I put that in a little bowl, and I mixed a little bit of water until I got the consistency that I need. Nothing too... The first time I made it kind of thick, but this time that I made it, that you guys are seeing in the video, it was how I wanted to make it. So I mixed that all up, and then I put that all over my face. I let that sit for about 10 minutes, not too long. Or actually, you just let it sit until it's completely dry. So if it takes more than, it was about 10 to 12 minutes for me. So if it takes you longer than that, that's fine. But typically it dries pretty fast. So after I dry, I like to flake it off, like all the chunky pieces. It looks pretty weird, pretty nasty. But yeah, just flake that off. And then you just want to rinse your face with cold water and get it all nice and clean. So yeah, after you rinse your face off with the cold water, you want to just proceed like normal with as far as products. Now, because again, I wasn't sure of which product it was that was, you know, hurting me. Before I applied the oatmeal, I want to let you know that I did wash my face, and I have a spin brush that I normally use. Like every day I wash my face. However, I was like, look, I want no type of friction and hurt or pain, so I just wash my face with my hands, which I used to always do. But I just wash my face with my hands lightly with a little bit of cleanser, and then I applied the mask. Then after the mask, I went in with my toner. I don't think I used a serum. I used a hydrating serum, and then I went in with my moisturizer. I didn't even use an eye cream because I was like, remember I said it was around my eye? I didn't know if it was my eye cream. I didn't know. So I didn't use any eye cream, and then I just topped off with my moisturizer. So I kept it pretty simple. Now Monday through Friday, or Monday through Saturday, whatever 5 days is, Tuesday. I did it on a Tuesday. No, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that was a Monday that I did the mask. So then 5 days later, Saturday, from Monday to Saturday, after I initially did the mask, I just let my skin breathe. I didn't put anything on it. Like, I didn't put no moisturizer on it. Actually, I did the mask on Monday, and then I did another mask on that Wednesday. And from Monday through Saturday, I didn't put anything on my skin. The only time I put something on my skin during them 5 days was on the Monday and the Wednesday. And then Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, nothing. And it was like the after picture. So here's the picture again, so you can see it and just see the wildness of it. But yeah, as you guys see in the demo, if I didn't already show you, I don't know how I'm editing this, but you'll see how I applied the mask. I really do wish that I had footage from like the first day, but I was so focused on like, what is it, why, how, who, what, when, where, and I just was just trying to like, but I found a solution, and so now that I found the solution, I figured I can share with you guys. And I forgot to mention the whole point of, you know, me talking about Arnae is I was watching Arnae's video, and her skin looked similar to mine, and after she did her oatmeal mask, and she was like explaining like how it's so much cooling and how refreshed her skin feels, I was like, okay, so let me try it. So that's what inspired me to try out the oatmeal mask. I just want to give my credit where it's due. But yeah, I'm so happy. Man. And then even after the 5 days, it wasn't even 100%. It was like 90, 95. It was like, you couldn't see the texture there. It was like smooth, but you could still see like the redness. But yeah, but now I'm good. Everything's all good, and yeah, so happy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I appreciate it. This was a quick one. Damn, that was really quick. My makeup, I think, took longer than that. I don't know. But yeah, that was a nice quick video, and I'm so glad I got to share it with you guys, because I did post it on my Instagram story, the pictures, and a lot of people like asked me like, what did you do? What happened? How did you fix it? So I feel like if there's anybody else out there who's going through what I went through, or if you have eczema, look up oatmeal, try out the oatmeal mask, and tell me what you think. I really, really hope it helps you. Now, if it doesn't help you, don't blame me, okay? I never said I was a dermatologist. I'm not, you know, I don't study the skin, but it works for me. So I'm just, you know, telling you. There's so many things you can do with the oatmeal mask. Some people mix it with honey, lemon, I believe avocado, I don't know. But listen, you're in the house, use what you have, and figure it out, homie. That's how we figure out things. You don't know until you try it. So yeah, I don't know. I hope you guys like this video. I love you. I'll see you on my next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you didn't do that, like, when you first clicked on the video. I mean, come on. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, love you. Damn, I feel like I rushed that. Did I rush that? Oh, but I hope this comes out okay.